Hello children, how are you all? Yesterday we learned something about a verb. Okay? Something about a verb, isn't it? Yes. So, what is a verb? What is a verb? A verb is a word which says the action of a noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. A verb is a word which says the action of a noun or pronoun. Yes, you know the meaning of a verb. You know the definition of a verb. Today, we are going to complete some more examples from your English textbook. Okay? Please open your English textbook, page number 23. Page number 23. Okay? Verb form. Okay, page number 23. See there, after first paragraph, there was ghostly silence on Mercury. The planet was bathed. Okay, in the third line you can see the word bathed. V1, V2, V3, V1 plus ing. Okay, V1 plus ing. So this is called present, this is called past, this is called past participle, and this is present participle. Okay. So we are going to learn some more examples from your English textbook. Okay. So bath. V2 of bath is bath. Okay, bath. V3 is bath. Okay, V3 is bath. And V1 plus ing is bathing. Okay. So another example. Mike rushed. Fourth line. Okay, fourth line. Mike rushed. We already completed that rush word. Okay. So returned. In seventh line, we will see the return word. Okay, return. RETURN. So, what is the V2 of return? Return. What is that? Return. So, V3 of return is also returned. Okay, the V3 form of return is return. So, what is the V1 plus ing of return? Returning. Returning. Okay. So returning. So we also completed the word explained. Okay. So please open page number 24. Showed. We also completed the word show. Okay. Whispered. We also completed the word whispered. Okay. Watched. Second line, watched. In the 2 hours, I watched him. Watched. So, WATCH, watched. And V2 form of watch is watched. And V3 form of watch is watched. Okay? And what is the V1 plus ing form of watch? So, yes, you are right, watching. WATCHING, watching. Okay, watching. So, page number 24, fourth line. In the first one, fourth line. Okay, the only thing that could save them from the terrible heat. Okay, heat. heated Heated. V3 form of heat is heated. And V1 plus ing form of heated is heat is heating. Heating. Okay? Bath. V2 of bath is bath. V3 of bath is bath. And V1 plus ing of bath is bathing. Okay? V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, children? Okay. See the 13th line. 13th line. But then Mike exclaimed. Exclaimed. Okay? Exclaimed. Okay? Exclaimed. 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 And V1 plus ing form of exclaim is exclaiming. Exclaim. Ing. Okay? V1 of exclaim is exclaim. Okay? V2 form of exclaim is exclaimed. V3 form of exclaim is exclaimed. V1 plus ing form of exclaim is exclaiming. Okay? Exclaiming. Okay? Page number 24. Mike decided to take the tunnel route close to the selenium pool. Mike decided to take the tunnel route close to the selenium pool. Okay. Decided. Decide. Decide. Decided. Decided. V3 of decide is decided. And V1 plus ing form of decide is deciding. 23rd line. Okay? Turned. I will read that. Speedy looked up and saw them. Then he turned away. He turned away. Speedy looked up and saw them. Then he turned away. Turned. Okay? Turned. T-U-R-N. Okay? T-U-R-N. V2 of turn is turned. T-U-R-N-E-D. Like returning. So, like return, the V2 form of turn is turned. Okay? Turned. So, V3 of turn is turned. T-U-R-N-E-D. And V1 plus ing form of return is returning. Sorry, turn is turning. T-U-R-N-I-N-G. Okay? Turn. V2 is turn. V3 is turned. V1 plus ing of turn is turning. Turning. Okay? We can say the turning point. Okay? This is a turning point. Like that we can use this word. Okay? So, open page number 25. Please students, open page number 25 of your English textbook. Okay? Now I will count from here onwards. Okay? I will count from here onwards. Okay? Third line. See here? Third line. Harmed. Harmed. Okay? I will read that. So, page number 25. Page number 25. This third line. Third line. Okay? Harmed. Being to be harmed. Being to be harmed. Harm. H-A-R-M. Harm. Okay? V2 of harm. V2 of harm is harmed. H-A-R-M-E-D. Harm. Okay? And V3 of harm is harmed. Harm. So, okay? V1 plus ing form of harm is harming. H-A-R-M-I-N-G. It is not harming, it is harming. Okay? R silent. R silent. Harming. Okay? Like that. See the fifth line. Mike realized what was happening to Speedy. Mike realized what was happening to Speedy. Realized. Okay? The verb is realized. 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 V3 of realized is realized. Okay? Realizing. So the V1 plus ing form of realized is realizing. So realizing. Okay? Realizing. Stepped. Stepped. Okay? See the ninth line. Being in danger without coming to his help. Okay, I am going out there, said Greg and stepped out of the tunnel. Said Greg and stepped out of the tunnel. Okay, stepped. Okay, the verb is stepped. 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 S-T-E-P-P-E-T. Stepped. V3 of step is stepped. And V1 plus ing form of step is stepping. Okay? Stepping. Okay? Harmed, harming, realized, realizing, stepped, stepping. Okay? V1, V2, V3, V1 plus ing. Okay? The 16th line of page number 25. The 16th line of page number 25. Okay? Seeing Greg in danger of losing his life, Speedy snapped back. Okay? Seeing Greg in danger of losing his life, Speedy snapped back. Okay? Snap. Snap. Okay? Snap. Snapping. S-N-A-P-P-I-N-G. Snapping. Okay? V1 of snap. Okay? V2 is snap. V3 is snap. V1 plus ing form of snap is snapping. Okay? Snap is snapping. 16th. 22 line. Only one word. 22 line. One word. Confused. Okay? What is the matter, boss? What are you doing here? I am so confused. Confused. Okay? Confused. 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 Confusing. V1 plus ing form of confused is confusing. Okay? Confusing. Okay? Okay. We have completed all the verb forms of your English textbook. Okay? Next time I will come with another topic. Okay? Thank you.